Okay, so this is going to be for your 4-bit full adder, and you guys should have a homework sheet kind of like this to practice. Okay, with your 4-bit adder, you're going to have A inputs, B inputs, and an input for whether you're adding or subtracting. So the A inputs are going to be the first 4-bit number that you have. B inputs are going to be your second 4-bit number, and then you're going to have another input for whether you're going to add or you're going to subtract. So if you're going to subtract, you're going to put a 1 in that one. If you're going to add, you're going to put a 0 in. So we're going to go through one of these so you can see what the inputs are and then what for outputs you're going to get as well. So this one, your first 4-bit number is 1101. Your second input number is 4-bit is 1110. And then our input for, it's going to be your SA, which is your subtract add, is a 1, which means we're going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract this number from this number, and then I'm going to get some sort of an output. So when we're subtracting binary numbers, how do we do it? Well, we got to do it one of two ways. We got to either use 1's complement or 2's complement. I like to use 2's complement. I think it's easier. So with 2's complement, I keep my first number, and then I do the 2's complement of this number. 2's complement, I keep up to and including the first one, and I change everything else, and then I simply add the numbers together. 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1. So I've got 1, 1, 1, 1. I didn't get a carry, which means my answer is negative. Well, if it's negative, I got to do what? I got to take the 2's complement of this number. So I keep the first one, change everything else. So this is my answer, and I know it's negative. So when I do my outputs, I'm going to get 0, 0, 0, 1. Then I'm also going to have a carry, which here I had no carry, so that's going to be a 0. And then I'm going to have a sign output, because I need to know, was my answer negative or was it positive? Well, if it's negative, my sign's going to give me a 1. So that's the way, when I hook these up to the lights, okay, we'll say this is light 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I would hook this one to 4, then I would skip 5 and hook this one to 6, because this is just my sign. Okay, because this is going to be my whole answer, because if I have a carry here, that's going to mean I have a 5-bit answer instead of a 4-bit answer. Okay, so that's that one. So let's do the second one on here. So the second one on our sheet, my first number is 1111. My second number is 1100. My subtractor add is a 0, which means I'm just going to add these numbers together. 1, 1, 1 and 1 is a 0, carry the 1. 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, there's a 1 with a 1 carry. So my answer is positive. So my sign is going to be a 0. My carry is going to be a 1 because I had a carry. My answer is 1011. So that's my answer.
Okay, bye.
That's all there is to that.